I, I know I haven't started yet, but I'm, oh, sorry, but I'm going to do Papa Louie Games characters tier list. So let's get started. Some of them I may know, but some of them don't know, so let's start. I don't know your name, but you'll see. Can't remember your name too, but you'll also see. And then, I don't like your teeth. I don't like how his teeth were broken, so he's in D, I'm sorry. You, I do not know your name, but yeah, you look chill, man. You also, I don't know which name. Oh, and you too. You look evil. You're F. Big Polly, you're D. Boomer, I think her name was. You're C. You, I do not know you. I can't remember your name. You see, Luna, Roman. Do not know your name, Sydney. Timothy user. Chuck Joseph C. Claire C. also. Texas, your D. Clover is in D. I like her. Connor is in C. Okay. Cooper is in D. Crystal is D. Lowe. I do not like those. Looks weird. Leo Eduardo is also look weird, so he's what? You, I do not know you as well, so you're D. So you as well. You're D. You also C. I do not know your name. Do not know your name, but you look weird, so you're F. Don't know your name, but you're C. But Foodini, you're C. Franco, I do not like your moustache. You're D. Jornito is in D as well, because I don't like him. Gino Romano, you're still C. Greg, yes, A. This Greg is way better than the wee Greg. I don't know your name also, so you're C. Do not know you, so you're F. You look evil, mean. You look like someone who got hurt and then you fight back on him. I didn't know your name, but you're C. Hank, you also C. If you hadn't had a moustache, maybe he would be in B. Hope. Okay, I think it'd be nice if she hasn't got lips. Hugo's also C. Iggy. Okay, if he has a different mouth, then I'll like him. Don't know your name, but you're D. You look pretty weird with that mouth. Ivy, you also C. James is C also. Vanna, your D, you look weird. Johnny, you look mean, your D also. Johnny, I don't know if you put you D or C, but for now I'll put you C. Joy, okay, I like this girl. She's B. You, I do not know you, so you'll see. Worker, I think her name is. You're D. Don't know you, but your jacket looks cool. But I'm afraid you're C. Carla is in D. She looks weird. Kenji. You're B also. Kingsley. You're D. Do not know you, but your hair looks pretty, but I say you'll see. Lepete is in S. I like all the characters like him. I don't know your name. You'll see. Lisa is also C. Maggie is C also. Mandy's also C. Molly's also C. Mary's C. But Matt is in S. I like him. He's pretty cool. He's better than 3 Matts I know. This Matt I know, Wee Matt and Wee Matt. Wee Matt's my least favourite of all these Matts. Because he's popular, that's why I hate him. Mia Mallow is in C. Do not know you, but you kind of look like the other girl. Let me. Her and her, but you're Steve. Mindy, I do not like your pink bits of her hair. Looks a bit of a mess. Mitch, you look chill, you're A. Don't know you, but you're C. You're C also, don't know your name. I dropped my phone. You're C also, don't know your name. Okay, this girl has different glasses and I like her more, but she's C. Nick, pretty bland, but I'm so sorry, but I say you're C for now. Enjoy is C. I like how your hat is backwards and you look pretty cool, so you'll be. Olga, I don't like you. Sorry, you're D. Olivia look pretty, so C. Papa Louie, I'm sorry, you're C. Piggy's also C also. Penny's C as well. Perry, I think it was. She's C. Mitchell, I think her name is. I don't know, you'll see. Professor Fitz, I think her name is. You'll see. Prudence. It's just different eyes and maybe hairstyle and maybe like more. So I say C. Gwen, I'm sorry. You're F. I do not like you. You're mean. You look mean. Redlin. Okay, she's my favourite. She's in 100%. I love this character so much. Every time I saw this character, I would be like, oh my god. I really like her. I really want to see her in real life. Like Midori. Well, I used to Midori as a little bit, yeah. Do not know you, but you're F. Sorry, you look weird. I think that's Rocco. I don't know your name. If that's Rocco, but or no, that's not Rocco. That's Rocco. I don't know your name. Is Karina, I think your name is. So I don't know both your names. So you're D. Don't know your name, but pretty chill. But C. You also C also. You also C as well. You three I don't know your names. Y. You're chill. You're A. Rudy and Santa, you both are C. Search fan, US man. Sasha, you'll see. I'm sorry. Scarlet, I'm sorry, but you're D. Scooter, yeah, I like her. First I thought it was a boy, but then when I realised it's a girl, it's an S. But I still like her. Can't remember your name, so you'll see. You also see. You're D, I'm afraid, I'm sorry. Skylar, I like her, but not as much as C, because she looks like a teacher. I do not like you, but no. I don't know you, man, but you're B. I can't remember your name as well, but you're C. Wait, no. I found out who's Tim. That's Tim right there. Where's the other guy for I mentioned? That's not Tim, that's Tim, my bad. I get confused sometimes. Sue, she looks like more a boy than girl, but she's C. Taylor is S. I like his ear plugs thing. Tim, you look like an actor. You'll be. Can't remember your name, but I don't know your C. Tony, if you hadn't had a beard, then I would like you more, but you'll see. Trishna, okay, don't know why, but Trishna looks like A from Wii Sports, but she's better than A because A's money swear at me, but she's C. Single C, you're also C. I don't know your name. Vicky, too much makeup. I'm sorry, but you're D. Don't know your name, but you're also D. I'm sorry. Liquid. Oh, sorry. What the hell? Sorry, guys. Press the wrong button. Come on. What? I hate my phone. Actually, say what? I don't know your name, but oh my god, what's up with my phone right now? Oh, something. Don't know your name, but you'll see. Wally, I was gonna put you D, but you look thin as well. You look like you're fit, so you'll see. Wendy, you'll see as well. Don't know your name, but you'll see as well. Your name, I don't know your name as well, but you'll see. Willow, yours, so see. Okay, this guy. You're, you look cool. I like your cap. You're a B, man. Cassandra, you're S. I like her. But Solo, you'll C, because if you would be look a bit thin, like similar size than Cassandra, then I would like you more. Yippee is an S as well. What's your name? Yui, you're B. No, you're C, I meant. Zoe, you're C also. And you three, I do not know your names, but you three also see. And there you go, that's my Papa Louie Games characters tiers. Thank you guys for watching. Leave videos, subscribe. Please respect my opinion and see you guys next time. Peace out. Oh, and comment down below if I said any room. I do not know the name, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Leave videos, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace out.